This is part 11 of medieval history. Question number 201. Who was the last Mughal ruler? The answer is Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar or Bahadur Shah Dutiya was the last Mughal ruler. Question number 202. Who constructed Hira Mahal? The answer is Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar constructed Hira Mahal. Question number 203. Who was the founder of Maratha dynasty? The answer is Shivaji. Shivaji was the founder of Maratha dynasty. Question number 204. Who was the father of Shivaji? The answer is Shahji Bhosle. Shahji Bhosle was the father of Shivaji. Question number 205. Who is the mother of Shivaji? The answer is Jijabai. Jijabai is the mother of Shivaji. Question number 206. Between whom was the Treaty of Purandar signed? The answer is Jai Singh and Shivaji. Between Jai Singh and Shivaji was the Treaty of Purandar signed. Question number 207. First battle of Panipat was fought between. The answer is Babur and Ibrahim Lodi in 1526. First battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi in 1526. Question number 208. Second battle of Panipat was fought between. The answer is Akbar and Hemu in 1556. Second battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Hemu in 1556. Question number 209. Third battle of Panipat was fought between. The answer is Ahmad Shah Abdali and Maratha. Third battle of Panipat was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Maratha. In first battle of Panipat, Babur was victory. In second battle of Panipat, Akbar was victory, and third battle of Panipat, Ahmad Shah Abdali was victory. Question number 210. The Cape route was discovered from Europe to India by. The answer is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama discovered the Cape route from Europe to India. Question number 211. Vasco da Gama reached the port of Calicut on. The answer is 17 May 1498. Vasco da Gama reached the port of Calicut on 17 May 1498. Question number 212. Who was the first governor of Portuguese came to India? The answer is Francisco de Almeida. Francisco de Almeida was the first Portuguese governor who first came to India. Question number 213. After Portuguese, who came to India? The answer is Dutch. After Portuguese, Dutch came to India. Question number 214. England's Queen Elizabeth gave to East India Company the authorization letter in. The answer is 31st December 1600 AD. England's Queen Elizabeth gave to East India Company the authorization letter in 31st December 1600 AD. Question number 215. First English ship came to India. was? The answer is Red Dragon. Red Dragon was first English ship came to India. Question number 216. In 1615 AD, Emperor James I sent Sir Thomas Roe in the form of his ambassador in the court of. The answer is Jahangir. Question number 217. Portuguese East India Company came to India. The answer is 1498. Portuguese East India Company came to India in 1498 AD. Question number 218. Dutch East India Company came to India. The answer is 1602. Dutch East India Company came to India in 1602 AD. Question number 219. English East India Company came to India. The answer is 1608 AD. English East India Company came to India in 1608 AD. Question number 220. Danish East India Company came to India. The answer is 1616 AD. Danish East India Company came to India in 1616 AD. Thank you.